Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Zoho Projects with Zoho CRM. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into Zoho CRM. Now go to the left panel and click on Marketplace. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go to find Zoho. Click on it. And then what we're going to do is just find Zoho Projects. Just click on Setup Now. Now in here, just click on Get Started. As you can see, it says Connect Zoho Projects are great and associate projects with Zoho CRM. And what you can do with this integration is that you can track your tasks and milestones and to execute customer projects on time every time. So click on Get Started right here. Select your portal, okay, or your Zoho Projects portal. Now you can go ahead and add in some modules if you want to, and then just basically click on Save, okay? Wait for it to load, and as you can see, it says integration enabled successfully. Now, if you want to deactivate it, you can go ahead and go to the top right, click on deactivate right here. Okay, and there you have it. That's how easy it is to integrate these two. Okay, so you might ask, what are the key benefits and features? Well, you can go ahead and turn one deals into new projects with a few clicks directly from CRM. Okay. You could also see all associated projects on an account or deal record in CRM and vice versa. You could also invite clients as users in projects to give them direct access and participation here under Zoho CRM. All right. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.